Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is an unboxing for a guest designer through Tiara's Mercy Kits, where I am going to go over all of the fun goodies in the main kit for the Tiara's Mercy Kits. They're called Tiara Kits. And when I got approached and got asked to do an unbox or to be like a guest designer, I was so excited because I have followed Tracy Banks for a very long time. I think I have followed her since 2011, maybe 2012, somewhere around there. So I'm not saying I'm like an OG, but I'm pretty close to the OG. And when she decided to do up these kits, I'm amazing. So I'm going to link everything down below. And this is the second kit. I have purchased the first kit already from her, and I loved them so much. I cannot wait to use all the kits. I can't wait. I'm just super excited. So I got the main kits, and this is all of the fun stuff that you get in the main kit. Now, I'm going to go over the embellishments first. So, the three pieces that are out of the embellishments actually match, which is called Delightful from Pink Fresh Studio. These are the cardstock stickers. I absolutely love these. Now, I'm a Pink Fresh Studio person. I do Pink Fresh Studio Fridays once a month with a bunch of collaborators that just love Pink Fresh. And so this is just perfect. I love their products. This is the chipbook flare. And I really love the fact that their chipboard flares. I'm going to open this up. I want to show you guys something. I love flares, but I don't like how thick they are. These are very thin, but yet they look like a flare. They're super cute. I just love them. And then they have, I've got also the Delightful, enamel dots. Then we got the Alpha, these Alpha stickers are like one of my favorites because they're super easy to use. They have numbers if you want to. They've got like, I just love all of them. And they're the Eclair. I personally actually own one set of these, and I'm so glad I got a second set because I do love the size of these. They're just perfect. I love that we got all these little extra dots and all that fun stuff. Then we got the Simple Stories journaling bits, the flea market. When the flea market first came out, I was a little worried about how vintage it was going to look until I got it. When I got it in person, I was like, yep, this is going to fit in with my style. I mean, look at how soft I just love everything about it. The Simple Stories, we got the journal bits. So that's a lot of where you can journal. You can tuck these really easily. You can write on them if you want to, obviously. But you could also use them for a lot of good tucking pieces, which is what I like about their journaling bits. Simple Stories always comes out with 2 sets of ephemera. And I always end up getting both sets because of how they do their journaling bits and then the ephemera. These are super cute. I love these, and I cannot wait to use these with these papers. Now, I am very, 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 like I said, very, I keep saying it because I absolutely love these. So, all right. I am one of them that has to have everything in order, so I had to fix it quick. All right, so the first thing is that I never actually got this when I did purchase the Woodland and Grove myself. So this is going to be perfect. And the one thing is that I like about using these is fussy cutting. I love that we got the journaling bits, and you can take this particular paper and fussy cut and able to tweak and tuck these within the journaling bits. That is amazing. So we got the Woodland Grove, the foil on pearlescent paper. So I love this. Like I said, awesome fussy cutting. And then we got some pages from Paige Evans, The Blooming Wild. And her Paige Evans is one of them that you can do a lot of fussy cutting with her pages, or just leave them blank. But this one is a good fussy cutter as well, as I love the back of this. This is another one if you want to have more embellishments, you could fussy cut if you want to, or this is a fantastic background. And then, wow, fussy cut. Fantastic background. Another one is you could make these straight. You could keep these hearts and fussy cut them if you'd like to. I love all of her pages, but this one is one of the fun ones that I liked. I like them all, but you know. And then I have 3 pages from Pink Fresh Studio. The one and only delightful page. And then we got Spring Vibes, which that is a really good background page. I love this one too. This one, oh Lord, love it. I'm not too keen on this one, only because this is the pages. This page is where it's at. Yep. Then we got we've got 2 different types from Simple Stories. The first one is obviously Flea Market, and while I watched how Tracy Banks did her style of why she picked this, for me, I love this page. This is my favorite page. And I feel like the colors that are on this page matches everything that she gave us. My inspiration of why she put this together is like right here. These cameras, these vintage cameras are like perfect. It matches that vintage feel that I absolutely love. As much as I love a good background like this, which you guys know that I do, this is one of my favorites. Fussy cut city if you want to. You could cut them along the edges and break. There's tons of stuff you could do with that page. I love this busy background of these florals. I love this one too, but I really love this one. I really love this background. I could totally tone this down and really go to town with that page. While I love the old saucers, my favorite is this background. I really love this plaid. It really reminds me of back in high school when we had students that would dress up in like the 70s. And I remember one of my good friends from school had a pair like this. I just love this page. While I love this page, the color tones are fantastic. This is one of my favorites. And then the other page is from the Wildflower collection. I love that she pulled in a blue. I also love this page, but I love that she pulled in this blue. And this is a good one to fussy cut. These butterflies could definitely get, or I feel like they're kind of like moth looking, but I love these. Those are favorite. And I love that she pulled in that really subtle blue with the gold, because Paige Evans papers are a little bit on the brighter, and I love that that brings out that vintage of the lighter colors that are in here. It's perfect. So that is the kit. Now, you will see 2 layouts, plus more, but 2 layouts, part of my design team for being the guest designer. In the next couple of weeks, you will have 2 layouts with this collection. She sends out her collections around mid-month of every month. So around the 15th of every month, you will see the next one come out. So make sure you check the description down below. This is her second one. I know that I cannot wait to see what the third one looks like. And let's see what I can do with these in the next couple of weeks using these collections. And I hope that you guys are all having a fantastic day, and I hope to talk to you guys soon. Bye.